Hello students. In this lecture we will be discussing about the different theories of entrepreneur. There are a lot many theories of entrepreneurs. As you all know, who is the entrepreneur? Let me give you the definition once again. Entrepreneur is defined as an act of being an entrepreneurship can be defined as an act of being an entrepreneur. That is, an entrepreneur is one who undertake innovations, finance and business activity in an effort to transform innovation into economics of good and services. In short, entrepreneur वो है जो कुछ करने की चाह रखता है into the profession of goods and services और वो कुछ नए तरीक़ों से पैसा अरेंज करके बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज़ को अरेंज करके बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है. That person is known as the entrepreneur. So there are lot many theories for the entrepreneur, like as you guys can see into your screens: economic theory, sociologic theory, entrepreneurship innovation theory, psychological theory, theory of achievement, status withdrawal theory, theory of social change, theory of social behavior, theory of leadership, theory of model personnel, and theory of systematic innovation. So there are lot many theories. We will be discussing all of these theories so that we won't be left out any theory from the point of view of entrepreneurship. Yes, this topic going to be very important because in your examination you guys gonna see there are lot many time you guys gonna see that yes, they had asked for the question on the theories. So let's start with the first theory, that is of economic theory. See, as its name talks about, these are very easy and easy to understand theories. Economic theory. Obviously, it will be talking about the economic, about the market. Entrepreneur and in economic growth take place when economic conditions are favorable. इसका कहना यह है कि भाई entrepreneurship और economic growth तब होता है जब economic condition favorable होती हैं. When we talk about economic condition favorable, so these are the couple of points, or those are: to make the economic activities favorable, there need to be an initiative or main motivator. Economic initiatives needs to be there. When we talk about economic initiatives, that means there should be some indications from the economy, there should be some opportunities in the economy जो एक entrepreneur को birth देने में या सीड अप करने में हेल्पफुल हो रहा है. लाइक टैक्स पॉलिसी. येस, इफ गवर्नमेंट गोना रिड्यूस द टैक्स पॉलिसीज on any particular product, you will be finding the lot many individuals who will be becoming the entrepreneur. Industrial policies, if the government gonna modify the industrial policy, yes, the entrepreneur going to be more. Like tax policy and industrial policy, if I'm gonna give you want to give you an example, the best example could be your सिडकुल. यहाँ पर टैक्स पॉलिसी भी आई और इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी भी, दोनों चीज़ें आई. एंड इंडस्ट्रीज़ आई, इंडस्ट्रीज़ बड़ी बड़ी मल्टी नेशनल कंपनीज आई. मल्टी नेशनल कंपनीज की रिक्वायरमेंट थी. दैट रिक्वायरमेंट गिव बर्थ ऑफ स्मॉल स्मॉल एंटरप्रेन्योर, स्मॉल वेंडर्स, जिनको हम वेंडर्स भी कह लेते हैं. समबडी इज मेकिंग द नट, समबडी इज मेकिंग द बोल्ट, समबडी इज मेकिंग स्मॉल पार्ट्स. सो येस, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़, इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स ऑलवेज गिव बर्थ टू द entrepreneur. Source of finance, yes, we need a finance. Yes, if we gonna have a opportunity to get the finance from different alternative, yes, or one person going to become an entrepreneur or going to favor for entrepreneurship. Raw material and infrastructure availability, that is also the one of the important cause of birth of entrepreneur. Investment and market opportunities. Likewise, in current scenario, as you guys can see from the COVID-19, you will be finding across lot many people are becoming the vendor, the entrepreneur of vegetable products or eatable products. So yes, economic indicators are there. Economy is giving the indication for them people to earn some money through these modules, and people are starting these businesses. Okay. Access to information, yes, that is also a very important requirement. If these indicators will be there, market conditions are favorable, like in today's scenario, to become a vegetable entrepreneur, you will be going to make a good sum of money. because this is the only product which is into the demand, or eatable products which are only into the demand. So yes, these are couple of factors or initiators which give birth to the entrepreneurial, that is taxation policies, industrial policies, finance and raw material policies, or raw material availability, infrastructure availability, and many more. Richard Catton, Irish French economist, what he said about the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is an agent who buy factor of production at a certain price in order to combine them with a view to sell it at uncertain price in future. Obviously एक कीमत पे वो खरीदता है और भरोसा यही करता है कि भविष्य में मैं क्या करूँगा, एक अच्छे प्राइस पे, एक अच्छी चीज कीमत पे इस प्रोडक्ट को बेचूंगा, जिससे मुझे क्या होगा, एक अच्छा मुनाफा हो पाएगा. So yes, economic theory is also one of the cause of an entrepreneur. Like he illustrate the economic theory with the farmer. एक farmer है, that person buy lease a land, he pay to the labor, and at the end by selling the crops at a price he get his money and pay back to the landlord and laborer. So these are the, obviously he need to be a risk taker. So these are couple of the features or the characteristic or the theory of economic theory of entrepreneur. Moving ahead to the different theory, to the next theory, that is sociological theory of entrepreneur. In this theory, as this name talks about sociology, socioculture, the birth of entrepreneur depend upon or totally rely upon the surrounding or the conditions like social values, religious beliefs, customs, etc. Like if you're gonna see to the Bania families, all right, you will be finding more number of people who are engaged into the business. All right, they will be giving first preference to the business rather than to the job or anything else. Likewise, the Gujaratis, they are also the Parsi people, they are also very good businessmen. So they will be giving first priority to the business rather than giving to the priority to the any other mode of or any other opportunity. Yeah, if you're going to the hill region, you will be finding, or into the rural region, you will be finding lot many youth. They are giving preference to the defense services, like they want to join the army or police. So yes, social values, religious belief, the custom, the areas, yes, that also give a birth to the entrepreneur. You will be finding a people from the particular community engaged into that particular business only. Yes, there are a lot many reasons, like in Lucknow, in Kanpur, a particular community is working into the manufacturing of that particular product only, and nobody, like in the Muradabad, you will be finding the lot many people are doing the business of Pital, and they are always trying to sell out these products at very affordable prices. So yes, sociological theory talks about social values, religious customs, which give a birth or which are one of the factors of an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship mainly perform a role as per the expectation of the society. Yes, if in your surrounding you have more people who talk about business, obviously your psychology, your behavior will be like an entrepreneur. So yes, sociology or society plays a very significant role. Your surrounding play a very significant role from the point of view of entrepreneur. As per Jean Baptiste Say, and he was an aristocrat industrialist. Entrepreneurship combine land of one, labor of another, capital yet of another to produce a product. By selling the product, he pay interest on the capital, yes, rent on land, yes, wages to the laborer, and what remain is his profit. First time, this theory also differentiate between a capitalist who is a financier who only invests. He's not an entrepreneur, and an entrepreneur who organize the stuff. Yes, there's a big difference between both of them. To become an entrepreneur, yes, you need to be the organizer. So that was all about the sociological theory of entrepreneur, which mainly focus on social values, religious belief, and custom, which give to the birth of an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is totally relying on those. If an entrepreneur totally coming from these factors, it will be known as the entrepreneur coming through the theory of sociological. So the next theory which we will be discussing about the entrepreneurship innovator theory or innovation theory also. Yes, innovation as its name talks about. This theory was given by the Joseph, and in the year 20th century he was an Austrian economist. An entrepreneur is a person who is willing and able to convert a new idea or initiative into a successful innovation. So, this theory talks about if a person who is having some idea, some new innovation, he always going to become an entrepreneur, because yes, he is bringing a new product into the market. Like if you're gonna take the example of Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook introducer, he had just changed the market. That is also the new way of doing things. So he brought out the new technology of Facebook, and yes, he create a market into the profession of social media. Following him, lot many introducer who came, Twitter and all, and they want to make a profession. Like to be an entrepreneur and an innovator. An entrepreneur innovator is one who introduce new product into the market. Like I have already given you the example of Mark, or introduce new production system like McDonald's, open a new market like Geo. He had totally converted a market from conventional telemarket to the broadband market. Yes, these all are the people who are innovative. They are into the same profession. It hardly matters. It doesn't mean that you need to bring out. They're always going to bring out the new idea. Sometime by changing little bit of thing, you're gonna make a big innovation into the whole process. And when you are coming with these principles or with this all process, then you will be known as the entrepreneur through the innovation. Finding a new source of raw material to supply. Yes, there are a lot many organization like moving from coal to petrol and now to nuclear source. Yes, this is going to be the one of the entrepreneur through innovations. Finding out the new resources to do that. Introducing a new organization in any industry. If we are making a new change into the industry, or like BPO going to be attached with the banking services, or service sector was being attached directly with the BPO services. That could be also the new idea of innovation theory, where the entrepreneur give a birth to the telemarketing, digital marketing, and through which they are making the business. All right. So entrepreneur to innovation, there are a lot many people, lot many entrepreneur you will be finding out, those who are working on to the principle of innovation. Yes, when an entrepreneur get birth through the innovation by doing something different, by new product, by new production process, by new raw material, by finding new market, or introducing new thing or new organization into the industry, then we call the innovator entrepreneur theory, or that a person is coming through the theory of innovation. Next type of theory of entrepreneurship is the psychological theory of entrepreneurship, which talks about the psychological parameters like need for achievement, vision, ability to face opportunities. Entrepreneur get boost when the society have a sufficient supply of individuals with necessary psychological change. These psychological change include need for achievement. Yes, we have the people who want the achievements in their life. They have some different visions, ability to face the oppositions. All right, these characteristics are formed during the individual upbringing by high standard of excellence, self reliance, and low faith dominance. Obviously sometimes there is a situation, this theory talks about when an entrepreneur is coming through the need for achievement, he wants to become something into his life, and he came into the profession of entrepreneurship. He's very excited, very potential. He is doing the same thing, but yes, giving the different result. In that very case, the entrepreneurship is being given or being evaluated through the psychological theory of entrepreneurship, which give a direction to the entrepreneur through achievement, through vision, ability to face oppositions, and which make him a successful entrepreneur into the coming market. So that's all for today lecture. Next theory will be discussed in second lecture.